then the last one, which is 3 all over 4. So we will be able to arrange it in ascending order. Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Today, we are going to be learning how to sort fractions. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Remember in the last class, I gave you some couple of home tasks on equivalent fractions. These are the answers to those home tasks. The very first answer, the final answer is 12 over 16, 24 all over 32. Final answer to the second question is 24 and 48. The final answer to the third question is 6. Now let's get back to the topic of today, sorting fractions. Sorting basically means arranging them in ascending or descending order. Ascending order means arranging them from smallest to biggest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. You can achieve this, you can achieve a sorting of fraction by first of all making them have a common denominator. And this is done by finding the LCM of the denominators. So now let us arrange in ascending order the following examples. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. We are arranging 3 all over 4, 1 all over 3, 3 all over 5, and 2 all over 4 as the first one. Now to do that, what do? We write them like this: 3 all over 4, 1 all over 3, 3 all over 5, 2 all over 4. So now, we now look at all the denominators. We have 4, 3, 5, and 4. What do we observe? First, you ask yourself that question. Before you find LCM, it's very, very important that you find LCM for numbers that are not related to each other. So look for the biggest one. The biggest one is 5. Okay, now you now ask yourself, is 5 a multiple of 4? No. Is 5 a multiple of 3? No, it's not. Okay, then you go to the next one, which is 4. 4 is the next smaller one. Is 4 a multiple of 3? No, it's not. So what it means is that all the numbers here are not related, except the fact that number 4 was repeated. So if it is repeated, you just take it as 1. So what it means that these numbers are not related. 3, 4, and 5 are not related. So what do? To find the LCM, we just simply multiply the 3 numbers. 4 times 3 times 5. And the final answer is what? 60. So you write 60 here. You draw a line. You now write 60 underneath. Then you now ask yourself, how many 4 can we find in 60? You can find 15. 15 times 3 is what? 45. How many 3 can you find in 60? 3 times 20 gives us 60. So it's 20. 3 times 20 gives us 60. So how many 3 can we find in 60? 20. 20 times 1, 20. How many 5 can you find in 60? 5 times 12 gives us 60. So we can find 12 in it. 12. How many 5 can we find in 60? It's 12. 12 times 3, 36. How many 4 can we find in 60? 4 times 15 gives us 60. So it's 15. 15 times 2 is 30. So now that we have gotten all the numerators, now we need to rearrange them in what? Ascending order. Which one is the smallest? We have to start from the smallest. 20 is the smallest. So this is the smallest fraction. We now write it first. 1 all over 3. Comma. After 20, what's the next one? We can see it is 30. That is the next one. That is 2 all over 4. We write it down. Comma. Then, what's the next one? After that, we have 36. That's 3 all over 5. Then, the last one, which is 3 all over 4. So, we will be able to arrange it in ascending order. Now that we've worked on a couple of examples on sorting fractions, try to do this as your home task. Arrange them in ascending order and write your answers in the comment section. I will check it out. The next topic will be on how to simplify fractions. In that video lesson, first of all, I'm going to be giving you the answers to this home task. before we start the lesson of the day. I hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.